Can you look at the camera and tell me what they are? What are they? They're snakes? What kind of snakes? Two snakes? There are a lot of snakes, huh? A lot more than two in there. You can hold them if you want.
He's pretty.
He's pretty, right?
It's a girl.
Yeah, that's a girl, 'cause it's pretty.
And that's a boy.
And that's a boy, 'cause it's a boy.
That's Daddy.
That's not the daddy.
That's Daddy.
No, that's the brother.
That's Daddy.
They're all brothers and sisters.
And I say Daddy. That's just
Hmm?
it's big.
Yeah, you could hold more than one if you want.
Cool, you're holding a knife? Cool.
It's a boy.
Hmm?
It's a boy.
Yeah. You can hold another one if you want.
That one's Peter.
Huh? He's a slippery little booger, isn't he? How cool is he? No, he doesn't want to go in the water, baby. He just wants you to hold him. Why don't you give him a little kissy? Aw. Show him to the camera. All right. Cool.